VCU Department of Occupational Therapy, Masters of OT classes of 2014 and 15, a part of the VCU Allied Health Professions. In conjunction with the World Federation of Occupational Therapists, World Occupational Therapy Day, proudly present Life as a VCU OT grad student. It's not uncommon for people to be confused about what occupational therapy is, let alone what it's like to be a student in OT school. The profession of occupational therapy is defined as the therapeutic use of everyday life activities with individuals or groups for the purpose of enhancing or enabling participation in roles, habits, and routines in home, school, workplace, community, and other settings. But to become an occupational therapist in the United States today, the aspiring OT must first pass through the rigors and challenges of 2.5 years of master's level work in occupational therapy. In the very first summer of the student's curriculum, VCU students become immersed in topics regarding the nature of occupational therapy and take a really challenging course to learn detailed gross anatomy of the human body. Through comprehensive lectures, teamwork, and hands-on dissection of human cadavers, students are given a one-of-a-kind opportunity to learn exactly how the human body works from the inside out. In kinesiology, students build upon what they learned in anatomy by studying the foundational aspects of human movement. Students study goniometry and manual muscle testing and expand on these techniques by applying them to functional situations of individuals' everyday life. In the woodworking lab, students continue to build upon the directives of activity analysis by constructing slant boards, which can hold documents or devices like iPads or keyboards, and they are tailored for anyone to use. Through this hands-on activity, students are challenged to use their own planning, social, and manual skills. Upon completion, the boards are donated to schools and hospitals and other settings that might need them. In the fall semester of first year, students are introduced to the principles of activity analysis. They discover the innermost qualities of human occupation by breaking down each important step of an activity piece by piece. Through this inspection, they gain an understanding of what it takes for a person to do an activity and what barriers could be in the way that could limit engagement in meaningful occupation. The VCU OT department has a state-of-the-art assistive technologies lab that allows students to practice with some of the latest advances in technology. The lab contains devices that enable individuals with disabilities to interact with and use technology. Students learn about adaptive devices and equipment firsthand by using them in client simulations. students learn about the developmental milestones and disorders that impact the occupations of children and adolescents. The VCU program takes a comprehensive approach as students also learn about assessment, theory, and the intricacies of human development as it continues into adult life. Every year, the American Occupational Therapy Association hosts an event in Washington, D.C. to encourage its members to advocate to the representatives of the U.S. government about policies that affect OT. By being in the hub of U.S. policy making, students get a unique opportunity to collaborate with professionals in the field and to make a real difference in securing the role OT plays in healthcare practice in the U.S. In the student's second year in the program, one of the adult evaluation and intervention courses is on physical agent modalities used to treat clients experiencing various types of pain. Electrical stimulation, ultrasound technology, and other modalities are used to help manage physical pain experienced after an injury. Before graduating, students enter into real settings where occupational therapists practice. Here, students not only have a chance to see different therapeutic modalities, but also have the opportunity to practice and apply the skills that they have been learning in lectures and labs with supervision and mentorship from licensed occupational therapists. At long last, students begin to make a meaningful difference in people's lives. We hope this short video has given you a better understanding of what it means to be an OT and an OT student here at VCU. Of course, there's so much more. So for more information about the VCU OT program, please go to our website. And for more information about the World Federation of Occupational Therapists and about World OT Day, please go to their website. Thanks so much for taking time from your day to find out about ours here at VCU.